Getting started in operation. What's included in the box? In this video, we will review the operation and accessories that come with the Sunbrick Solar Simulator. The first step in getting your Sunbrick up and running is to carefully unpack all parts and accessories. Check for any signs of damage that may have occurred during shipping, and if you notice any missing or broken accessories, please contact us as soon as possible. The standard Sunbrick system comes with the following items: control laptop, LED illumination head, metal stand, power supply, power cables, metal handle, and USB cable. First time setup. The first step to set up the system is to mount the illumination head on the mirror stand. To do this, remove the yellow grill from the LED illumination head. The grill is held in place by two latches, one in the front and one in the back side. Carefully pull on the grill to remove it. For maximum ventilation and improved device lifetime, leave this grill off during operation. The next step is to mount the LED illumination head on the metal stand. Take your metal handle and insert it in the mounting apertures. Use both hands when lifting the LED head. Carefully slide the LED head onto the stand. Use the alignment screws to guide the illumination head and make sure that it's resting completely flat on the stand. Make sure you avoid placing the LED head at an angle or resting on the screws themselves, as that will affect performance. Also, double check that the orientation of the LED head matches the orientation of the stand. Once mounted, connect the 15-pin power cable to either power port. Don't forget to tighten the screws. Next, connect the micro USB cable. Now that the illumination head is connected, screw the other end of the power cable to the power supply. Don't forget to check the orientation of the cable before plugging in, and securely tighten the screws. Next, plug in the electrical cable to the power supply. And plug in the other end of the USB cable to your computer. Software and system files. The Sunbrick simulator comes with many files to empower your research. On the desktop of a computer, you should see one or more folders that contain the user manual, password recovery document for Windows, the Sunbrick Python API with basic examples, LabVIEW drivers, calibration and software installation files, and folders containing the basic spectral presets requested in your order, like AM0 or AM1.5G spectra. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the contents of these folders. System operation. To start the system, connect the USB cable to your computer and turn on the power switch. Next, open the Sunbrick software, click on File, hover the cursor over Connect, and wait for the Sunbrick's serial number to be displayed. Once the serial number is displayed, click on it and wait for the system to initialize. After the system has initialized, you can click on the plus sign on the left panel to display general system information, like temperature or connected Sunbrick devices. Loading a spectrum. To load a spectrum preset, go to the top menu, click on Brick, and then Load Spectrum. Navigate to the location of the folder that contains the spectrum of interest. In this example, we will load the AM1.5G 1sun spectrum. Open the AM1.5G preset folder, select the 1sun file, and click Open. The lights in the simulator will automatically turn on to the selected spectral output. General changes to intensity can be made by using the intensity slider in the main window, and for higher accuracy testing, use the provided spectral presets. The second intensity control located at the top of this window can be used to simultaneously adjust the output of multiple Sunbricks connected in an array configuration. One of the most powerful features of the Sunbrick is spectral customization. In this example, we will create a custom spectrum by taking the AM1.5G preset as a starting point. First, click on Brick, then Load Spectrum, and select a preset. Once again, click on Brick, and this time select Control Spectrum. On the left side, you will see a panel with individual sliders for each LED channel. You can increase or lower individual intensities to favor specific wavelengths. And on the right, you will see a graph that displays the approximate spectrum output. Depending on your needs, we recommend using a combination of sensors, such as a spectrometer, reference cell, and thermopile to make very precise custom spectra. Please note that the level of factory calibration cannot be guaranteed for every possible custom setting. So chat with us if you need us to pre-calibrate around your own reference devices or have special spectral needs. Once you have built your custom spectrum, the next step is to save it. To do this, close Control Spectrum and go back to the main window. Then click on Brick, Save Spectrum, and choose a location to save your spectrum file. In this example, we will save a spectrum called Lunar Sun 1 in a folder called My Spectrum 1. Type the name of the file and click Save. To reload this spectrum in future work sessions, simply click on Brick, then Load Spectrum, and select the Lunar Sun 1 file. The LEDs will automatically adjust to this spectrum. Turning off the system. To turn off a Sunbrick, click on Brick, then Load Spectrum, and select the All Channel Off preset. After the LEDs turn off, click on File, then Disconnect. You can now turn off the power switch and shut down your computer. Placing a sample. The correct working position is at the edge of the side mirrors, behind the upper metal struts. A set of bottom struts are provided to facilitate mounting complex setups and accessories, but these can be repositioned or removed depending on whatever is more convenient. To remove them, use an Allen key to loosen the bolts in each corner, and carefully slide out the structure. Another way to place a sample is by using an elevator jack. For best results, make sure that the active area of a sample is aligned to the edge of the mirrors behind the upper metal struts. Now that our device is set, the experiment is ready to begin.